Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Welcome back to our channel, where we empower individuals like you to take control of your financial future and build your own online business. In today's video, we're diving into the world of aspiring entrepreneurs, those driven individuals who have a burning desire to be their own boss and create their own path to success. If that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. I'm here to tell you why building your own online business can be one of the most beneficial decisions you'll ever make. So, let's jump right in. Flexibility and freedom. The first major benefit of building your own online business is the flexibility and freedom it offers. Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to setting your own schedule. As an entrepreneur, you have the power to choose when, where, and how you work. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you get to dictate your working hours and design a lifestyle that suits you best. Be your own boss. Being your own boss is a dream for many, and building an online business allows you to turn that dream into a reality. No more answering to superiors or dealing with office politics. You call the shots and have full control over your business decisions. It's incredibly empowering to know that your hard work directly impacts your success, rather than contributing to someone else's bottom line. Unlimited income potential. When it comes to online businesses, the sky's the limit when it comes to your earning potential. Unlike traditional employment, where your income is often capped by a fixed salary, building your own business allows you to tap into unlimited income streams. As your online business grows, you can scale it, leverage various monetization strategies, and even create multiple income streams. This opens up a world of possibilities for financial growth and achieving your desired level of income. Pursue your passion. Building an online business enables you to turn your passion into a profit. Whether you love fitness, photography, personal development, or fashion, you can create a business around what you genuinely enjoy doing. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on something you love, and getting paid for it. Building an online business allows you to align your work with your interests, making it more fulfilling and enjoyable. And there you have it, aspiring entrepreneurs. Building your own online business can provide you with flexibility, the freedom to be your own boss, unlimited income potential, and the opportunity to pursue your passion. It's an incredible journey that can lead you to financial independence and the fulfillment of your entrepreneurial dreams. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams and building the life you've always envisioned. Take care.